Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video, I talk about the magical properties of 5 ingredients for prosperity and then make a money spell jar for your home or person. Let's do some magical crafting. Spell jars are among my most requested videos, and so I decided to partner with Holy Santo to create a series of spell jar videos using some of the herbs that come in their witchcraft herb kit. There's an affiliate link for 10% off their herb kit in the description below. I will also link to my unboxing video below. This spell jar includes 5 money drawing ingredients. I'm writing about the magical properties of each herb in my Herbal Grimoire and the properties of the stone I'm adding to the spell jar in my Crystal Grimoire. I'll leave a link to both of these books below. To begin each page of my grimoire, I added a sticker with a photo of the flower or herb. I found these images online and printed them onto Avery label sheets. However, you can also illustrate each herb yourself if you prefer. The first herb is catnip. Catnip is used to attract good luck and fortune. It's used in magical workings to attract love and money, and also for relaxation and vision and dream work. Next is alfalfa. Alfalfa is a good addition to magic meant to draw money and prosperity. Use alfalfa in workings for a happy home, good luck, and growing your wealth. Alfalfa is also known to make others feel more generous toward you. Place alfalfa in your pantry to protect from poverty and hunger. Keep alfalfa with your gambling money before you wager with it. Next is comfrey leaf. I've included comfrey leaf as a protection against theft. It's also good for luck and prosperity magic. It can bring luck in financial matters, protection from theft, and safety during travel. The stone I've included is green Aventurine. It's well known for its ability to draw money and career success. Its name comes from the Latin word for chance. It's a stone that is great for goal setting and manifesting desires, especially when they're associated with money, luck, or career. I begin with a small jar as I'm creating the spell jar to go in my purse and be carried on my person. You can make your money jar any size. You may wish to cleanse your jar before you begin with smoke, sound, salt, or any other cleansing method that you prefer. The first ingredient into the jar is alfalfa. This herb has been cultivated for thousands of years as ground cover and fodder for cattle. Since ancient times, cattle have been synonymous with wealth. Next in goes the comfrey leaf to protect my possessions from theft. As I add each ingredient, I focus on the intent of my spell jar and the properties of each item. If your traditions call for a chant or a prayer, you can also do that as you fill up your jar. I add in several small pieces of green Aventurine, focusing on career success and manifesting my goals. Next, I add pieces of actual money. This will be a direct representation of the wealth that this spell jar is meant to attract. Next in goes the catnip to attract money and prosperity in general. As there are many things that contribute to wealth besides money, I focus my intent on the things that will bring me prosperity. After that, I draw a symbol to represent prosperity on top of the cork. In this case, I'm using a $sign. However, you can use any symbol or sigil that represents money or prosperity to you. Because this jar may be carried with me in my bag, I'm choosing to hot glue the cork in place to avoid any unfortunate spills. And finally, I seal my jar with green wax. As I seal it, I focus all of my intention into the jar and allow the candle flame and warm wax to charge the magic. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make your own prosperity and money spell jar. If you enjoy my witchy content, kindly leave me a like on this video. I've created a Book of Shadows recipe page for this spell jar for my patrons. If you'd like to download a PDF of any and all of my Book of Shadows pages, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below this video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs, and I continue to add new downloadable content as I do more projects on the channel.